it's really reassuring that it can work like in this way as well.
And after a long time, we have seen such a film which has got positive reviews from all quarters. So, did you expect that Ayushmann Bhumi? Were you expecting the film to have such a good response?
Uh, well, without sounding immodest, I was expecting that. And see, the thing is, some movies by default are little more review friendly because of the nature of the film, because of the aesthetic of the film, because of the storytelling of the film. And in that context, definitely Dum Lage Haisha had something going for it. One cannot be overconfident कि इसके reviews अच्छे आएंगे ही, but definitely there was a faith, and I think we kind of succeeded in trying that out. And more so after seeing the first cut, one was more convinced that we will try and rely on word of mouth and encouragement from the people. And somewhere ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो work कर रहे हैं, and I think it hopefully it's just the beginning, and there will be some more commercial results as well later in the day. So let's see. We are keeping our fingers crossed.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi Bhumi. Yeah.
Hi.
हाय मतलब बॉलीवुड में जब कोई डेब्यू करता है तो अपने फिगर को लेके बहुत कॉन्शियस रहता है, ग्लैमरस दिखता है, बट आपको लगता है साइज डज रियली मैटर?
I think it totally depends on what the script is. As an actor, I feel it's your job to transform as and when a new script comes. So definitely if there is a part where you have to look a certain way, you have to look a certain way. Like Sandhya had to be an overweight girl. And there was a process, even I gained a few kgs for the film. So I don't think there's a certain way or a certain path that you can take. It all depends on what the film requires.
What's your future plans?
I don't know yet. I don't know what's in the pipeline for me. I can only pray and hope that I get a lot of meaningful, impactful films.
Hello. This was Sarat. Yeah. I'd like to ask you that Bhumi was the first choice for this role.
Bhumi was Manisha's first choice for the role. Yeah, we were testing a lot of girls, and Bhumi was the one who was doing casting for us, and she was the one. Actually, दिन में वो सुबह ऑडिशन देती थी और शाम को लेती थी. So इस तरह से होता था सिचुएशन. तो या मुझे कन्विंस होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा था, लेकिन फाइनली आई थिंक वी मेड द राइट चॉइस, एंड द क्रेडिट गोज टू मनीष फॉर दैट. I think he has an eye to tap talent. आप में से भी किसी को कभी भी चुन सकते हैं, मुझे लगता है.
Even I thought that Bhumi was too urban for the character, but the way she's transformed in the film is amazing.
मनीष, 90s की स्क्रिप्ट थी, तो आप पहले से ही इत्तेफाक रख रहे थे या कुछ ये था कि नहीं इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं वगैरह वगैरह टाइप्स?
एक्चुअली जब ये स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ी थी तब ये उतनी 90s में उस टाइम पे सेट नहीं थी, बट प्रेम का जो कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में वो ऑडियो शॉप ओनर तब भी था, फिल्म यही थी, and that kind of gave us a cue while we were jamming the first time. I read the script. In fact, first time I read the script was not in the capacity of a producer. I didn't know I will end up producing this film then. And while we were discussing, जैसे होता है कि इन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने को बोला, हमने बातचीत करी, and there was an idea कि यार ये 90s में होगा तो मजा आएगा, because this layer is very nice, and somewhere I guess our generation of people have a nostalgia and some romancing with audio tapes and stuff like that, which I guess Sharad has captured very well. So that's how it came about, and then Sharad just took it forward and detailing it out in the script as well, and then I guess the nostalgia and romance of 90s is quite out there in the film now. So yeah, it was one of the thoughts that which kind of took its start off point because of Prem owns an audio shop. बात वहाँ से शुरू हुई थी, and then I guess it's just like any other creative process. It became something which is very special to this film now. And
आयुष्मान, कुमार सानू साहब के आप फैन हैं फिल्म में प्रेम, तो या कोई कुमार सानू का गाना या फिर रंग बरसे यशराज फिल्म्स का गाना अगर आप हमारे लिए सुना दें आज, जरूरी है सर, क्योंकि पहले
आई थिंक कुमार सानू के फैन हर कोई है जो भी 90s. कागज इस पे बेकस लिखता हूँ मैं जरा, तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो भी जिसे इश्क ने मारा. Thank you.
Hi Ayushman.
Hi.
When we interviewed Bhumi, she said that the best compliment she received was from her mother. which was the best compliment you got for this role and for the film?
I think we've been receiving compliments from all quarters. I think it was from my father.